Hello, sweet Stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. I am so delighted to share with you our next craft along for August. It is going to be on Tuesday, August 25th, 2026 at 2 o'clock Central Time. It's going to be a really fun one. We're going to be making the Daisy Days mini album kit. And so I wanted to share with you how I designed my kit, because when you get the box, it has so many options of laser die cuts in there. It was a little bit overwhelming and intimidating. So what I did is I took a lot of that design work off your plate and have designed the pages so that you can just enjoy the fun part of creating. So I wanted to walk you through how I designed my mini album. Of course, you can design it however you wish. I think this would be an absolute adorable project to make for a gift, or you could do it as a family project to capture your memories that you had over the summer, or really any everyday memories that you want to catalog and preserve. So this is how I designed my particular pages so that they would coordinate in the colors and in the different patterns of the laser cuts. But I noticed when I finished decorating these pages that I had like 3 extra sheets of laser cuts. And I was like, is this a mistake? Did Stampin' Up! Actually accidentally send me extra pieces? I checked with some friends and I found out that they're actually in all of the kits. So that was a happy happenstance. And I thought, well, you know what? This is a great opportunity. Use these extra pieces to make some cards. And so I wanted to share with you the cards that I designed. I will be including a card packet for you as a bonus in your kit. And what you'll do is you'll just take those extra pieces that are left over after you design your mini album and use them on your card bases. So this is the cards that I designed for you as part of that bonus card. Really, really simple, no stamping cards. And what I did is I used the Hot Foil New Sentiment set. And just to let you know, I did confirm with Stampin' Up! Policy and Education that hot foiled elements can be included in kits because they are not considered stamps, they're considered dies. And so I got that clarification so that I would know that I am doing things the way I'm supposed to. All right, so the card kit, when you get it, it will look like this, and I will include the hot foiled and die cut sentiments for you as part of that card packet. It includes the envelopes, the card bases, the layers, a little bit of ribbon, and like I said, those hot foiled die cut sentiments for you. It will also include the emailed tutorial with just really quick pictures and list of the elements that you'll be adding to your different layouts on your pages. And then at the back, I have, of course, quick measurements for the cards that you'll be making. Now, because the craft along for the mini album is going to take about 2 hours, there won't be time to be able to make the cards, but they're super, super easy to make with those extra pieces. And then here at the back, I have photo mat templates for you to print out and cut to use in your mini album. Now, I would love for you to join me for this craft along. Anybody is welcome to hop on and watch. If you would like the full project or the full craft along kit, I do have that available for $54 that is shipped to you in the US. And that includes the full mini album kit. It's going to include a pillow gift. Anybody who's gotten a craft along kit knows I like to include a little surprise and delight for you. It's also going to include this bonus cards kit, and I will be putting it in the storage sleeve for you, as well as the email PDF tutorial. So that is available for $54. Registration runs from now until August 9th, 2026. After which time I'll order the supplies, and then I will ship out those kits to you by August 15th so that you get them in time for the craft along on August 25th. The other option is, let's say you already have the Daisy Days kit and you have other items on your list that you would like to order. If you place a qualifying order of at least $50 or more through me, my Stampin' Up! Store, and select me as your demonstrator, by August 9th, I will send to you the bonus cards kit in the mail to you, as well as email you the PDF tutorial for free. That's a little gift from me for your qualifying order. Now, you do want to make sure that that order reaches that $50 threshold before tax and shipping and after any redeem rewards. I know rewards get us some time because it doesn't fully reflect. And so you just got to make sure that you're taking into account any rewards that you may be redeeming in that order. Now, let's say you just want to provide all your own supplies and you want to do your cards yourself. You are welcome to do that. I do have a PDF tutorial only option for $15 that I will be uploading to my PDF store here probably in early August, so stay tuned for that. And guys, so I look forward to us crafting again on August 25th at 2 o'clock Central Time here on YouTube. If you have any questions, please reach out. In the meantime, if you would like to sign up for the Craft Along Kit, you can do that in the video description. There's a link there for you. And also too, there's a link to my Stampin' Up! Store if you would like to do the free with qualifying order. All right, y'all take care and we'll see you soon. Bye guys.